left ear is good.
Left ear is good.
Okay, can
Now
you
have to
turn this
turn
up?
the head. Because he has two ears. Yeah.
Also good.
Pause.